It has begun. All right, Jennifer.
Hey, Barry.
What do we have in here?
I have my ranunculus.
Ranunculus. Are all of those ranunculus?
They are.
Wow.
They look great.
And then in here, you've been doing some winter sowing,
Yes,
correct?
this what it's supposed to look like.
And what's in there?
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Yeah, the camera didn't focus all that well. But
Stock.
what is it?
Stock.
Stock. Stock. Oh, it doesn't want to focus in there. All right, so we have started. I've just finished turning over our big compost pile down there behind the birch trees there, using, of course, the termite. That's it. Opening up one of our hoop houses for spring cleaning. And we have a beautiful cabbage growing in here. Look at that. The rest of this stuff we're gonna, well, I don't know. Green everywhere. These guys have been here through the winter. Yeah, there's one here too. I think I'm gonna leave it. Just see what happens. We can take that one out. But we're gonna start opening up these other 4 hoop houses, and pretty soon our garlic should be coming up. Here it is. We've got garlic coming up. Those little green spouts. There. I don't know if in this bed, but yep, Jennifer sees some. And more. So there should be 140 in here and probably another 70 there.
And there's no parsnips.
No parsnips. We planted last year. All right. I'll get a layer of compost in here this week, letting that thaw out, the compost pile thaw out. But yeah, it's that time. It is that time. All right.